Hi, it's me, Richard. Today, I just want to show you how Iguana can integrate with Azure DevOps using the import-export channel functions. As you can see, I have created a sample Azure Demo Ops. There's two options here. So when you create the Azure DevOps, you have a version control, choose a Git or Team Foundation version control. Since Iguana only support Git, you want to make sure you use the Git version control instead of a Team Foundation. The reason why is if you go to the Azure Team Foundation example, click on Repo, there isn't give you a good integration for third-party tools. And then on their documentations in here, it says the Team Foundation is only support for Visual Studio. However, Git can support any third-party application. That's a key reason. So when you start accessing your client solutions here and click on repos and clones, then you have two options. One is using the HTTP, one is using the SSH. So let's use the HTTP as an example. The first thing what you need to do is you want to click on generate and make sure that you write down your username and password somewhere, so that way you're going to use it in the later on. So I'm going to just click on copy of it in here as example. So now it's all saved. If you have to use the SSH, the things that what you need to do is you need to upload your public key inside the Azure DevOps. So you can click on the managing SSH key in here, and you should navigate into the SSH here. So in this example here, you're going to upload your public keys. There's tons of ways you can upload it, but make sure that you only upload your RSA version based on the Azure definition from here. So as you can see here, the only SSH key type uploaded by Azure DevOps is the RSA. So that's the one you want to make sure you use the RSA version. There has other versions like ECDSA or DSE or ED25519. Those one is not supported by Azure DevOps at this moment. Okay, so let's get back to this one. Let's use the HTTP as example. You just need to copy the URL here. Let's log into Iguana, click on settings, repo, and let's see, Azure HTTP repo. Make sure you choose HTTP and paste in here and click on this. So now you have this one here. The next things what you want to do is you can click on settings and import channels, choose the HTTP. It will pop up with the user and password, and you just need to copy the username here and copy the password here and click it. And now you should be able to download whatever the channel file you have. So in this case, you can click on import. So import, okay. Voila, so the channel has been imported, okay. For SSH, there's some steps that you have to do. The first thing is I needed to navigate the .ssh folder here. So this folder here is under my username .ssh using the SSH keygen. So you can see more functions using the SSH keygen function here. Besides that, you just need to upload your, as I said, upload your SSH. So in this case, I already upload my the public key in here. So I'm ready to using the SSH URL here. You can go to Iguana and go to configuration repo and say Azure SSH. And choose SSH. So in this case, you want to paste the SSH URL and make sure you add in the private key in this case is the RSA, the default RSA generated by ssh.keygen functions, and click on save. Once we have that, you click on import again and using the SSH, and voila, this channel has been imported successfully. So that's it. This is a kind of quick demo to show you how to use Iguana to integrate with Azure DevOps. Hope you like it. Bye.